He was dreaming that he's marrying another Filipina.
Clearly, if he hit all three of them, they had to be in the intersection. Not like
Morning. You're watching Animal Thing again? What channel? All Kittens. You gave them bones already this morning?
That's when I like to do it.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Tommy's watching a show. A cat. Look at that cat. So freaking cute. I like it. Look, look, look. Roxy's already afraid of it.
Well, look, he likes the sporty boy.
Look at that.
bonk.
Look at that. Looks like house. Oh my. Daming turkey, guys. Look at this. Yung turkey ay dami. Mag-get ready lang ako kasi ang ingay ng dalawa. Uy, kasi maraming turkey sa labas. ang daming turkey. And sobrang ingay ng aso ko. So, pasensya na kapag narinig kayo ng mga yak-yak. Kasi ayaw palabasin namin pag may turkey sa labas. Kasi yung turkey is makatulong kasi yung turkey sa ano guys. Sa ticks. Yung, you know, yung deadly. Kasi nakakatakot kasi yung ticks guys kapag ano talaga sila. Kapag dimpiyo. Kapag pinapaak ka na. Snow day. Sabi pa sobrang ano daw tomorrow. Yung snow sobrang grabe daw. So, let's see. Kasi grabe daw yung snow tomorrow. So, tignan natin kung anong mangyayari. I'm sure makikita nyo itong mga aso ko. Na-notice ko no, yung brow pala no, magpangpaganda sa ano, look, additional look sa ano mo, sa face. So, maganda siya. And, iba-iba kasi yung forma ng brow natin. So, hindi natin, ano ba, iba-iba siya. So, hindi natin talaga maano kung ano yung style ng brow natin kasi iba-iba. Noon, wala akong pakialam talaga nito, guys. Yung mga brow. Wala talaga. As in, wala talaga ako, guys. So, yun. And, yun. Iba-iba kasi. May mga taong gusto talaga yung as in full coverage. Full on makeup. Noon, ay wala talaga ako, guys, nito, guys. As in, kahit ano, guys, full bo, wala. Yung lipstick ko is always lang, ano, yung lipstick na gamit ko is hindi nga siya, ano, hindi nga siya talagang lipstick. Anong tawag doon guys? Yung chapstick ba? Pang paano sa dry lips yun. Masaya na ako doon. Anyway guys, so may plano akong mag-film today. Ang i-film ko is yung kami ni Tammy Whisper Challenge Part 2. Gagawan ko ng Part 2 yung Whisper Challenge namin kasi I like it guys. Nakakatawa. I watch it. And somebody also comment to request Part 2 and he or she commented long time ago on that video. If you haven't seen, kung hindi pa ninyo nakita yung video na yun, andun siya sa, of course, andito siya sa channel na ito. Pero, matagal na yun guys. Mga, parang, yung matagal, wala pang nag 1 year, pero matagal na yun.
That's true when you can't have those phones because they work on electric too.
Everything is electric in this house.
Yep.
Guys, Tammy was dreaming that he's marrying another Filipina. Last night. That's his dream last night. That's so weird. He was dreaming that he's marrying another Filipina. Okay, what's your dream? Tell him.
I'm not done. I told you.
Oh, yeah. He's not dreaming.
Only because it's so much stuff to have.
Yeah, because he been watching the news, guys, or he been listening the news. That's why he's dreaming that I don't have power here. And in this house, everything is electric. The stove, everything, even the fireplace is start with the electric. It's not a wood thing. If it's a wood, that's fine, right?
Yeah, at least you get heat. You light it and you hit it. There's a problem in that.
But it's just a dream because tomorrow, guys, is gonna be heavy snow. That's what he said. Heavy snow tomorrow.
And power, and a lot of stuff is already weakened from the wind. It's knocked out so much power.
Well, we don't have a lot of tree here.
It doesn't have to be.
Oh, yeah,
It's
okay.
just knock down the line
Oh,
down
yeah.
the main road. It'll
Yeah.
kill you.
Yeah. Later, guys, you guys watch out. He has another unboxing. What? What do you want? What do you want? My tummy is busy. He's busy cooking pancakes.
Not pancakes anymore.
What is it now?
Egg.
An egg. That's garlic and onion powder. Before I don't really understand why he used a lot of spices. I never use those powder onion and garlic. I always use the the fresh one. But actually this is really good, right, Han?
Yeah.
It gives flavor. It gives.
You can't use fresh onion, garlic, and everything.
And Tommy also, guys, is doing laundry. And me, I was playing game after I edit my video. So you on. What are you doing? Where are you going? You still have to throw those stuff. Okay guys, unboxing. Tommy's unboxing. That's heavy one. So explain what it is. Explain what it is. Explain what it is.
The jack.
Okay.
To lift the lawnmower.
That's the lawnmower.
Clearly, you're gonna have to build it.
Finally guys, he figured it out. He doesn't like it when...
You can open that box and some wrenches.
That's all. You have it in your hand.
I have 2.
That's all.
There's 3.
No more.
You can still in this box.
Ay, nako. Huh?
See the way it lifts? 2.
Ah, okay, got it. Got it. Hello, I got it now. Don't be think that I'm stupid, huh? Stupid. Love, I wanna so bala.
What?
Love, I wanna see bala. Bala. Oh, that's the tree. No, that's a chainsaw. Why you get a chainsaw? You have a chainsaw in the house.
One of the attachments comes with.
That's my trimmer. Trimmer. Oh, that looks heavy to me. Oh, that's your thing, hon? It's a cutter for... What is that, hon? Cutter for what?
Weeds.
The weeds for the side, right?
Yeah.
Look, you're dreaming again that I can do it. Are you kidding me?
Oh.
Plus, you put gas in it. It's gonna get more heavier. Holy cow. I'm done. This is the back supposedly, right?
Right.
Go like this.
Right.
Oh my god, it's heavy plus the gas. Oh my god.
Don't take very much gas. Here, you're playing the game again.
This is gonna be a heavy thing, hon. Is the gas container big? It's small. It's small. No, that look at the gas.
This is the motor, this is the gas.
Yeah, the gas is small, so it's not gonna add more heavy. Oh, that's
The
okay.
string cuts the
Okay.
weeds, and as the string wears off, it keeps coming out until you run out of string inside. This is a big spool.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Don't open it. That's it.
Oh, I'll show you.
Han, you're gonna ruin it. You're gonna Ito yung sinasabi ko. Hindi nakikinig. Hard-headed, stubbornness.
Shit, I don't like that.
Okay, I'm gonna let him figure this out, guys. Bye. Say bye, Han.
Hi, guys.
Look at this. Look at how good looking he is. Itong asawa ko guys, naglalaba ang aga-aga, tingnan nyo. Nakalimutan niyang i-ano ito sa kunin sa ano niya, packet. Nilalabhan niya to. So basa. Buti na lang hindi nasira. Waterproof siya. G-Shock ito. Casio. Binili ko ito sa Amazon guys, waterproof. Buti na lang hindi nasira. Andito pa, umaandar pa, Umaandar pa siya, Look at that. Hello, bakit ano yun? Yung camera ko ba parang sira ata. He dressed his toy. He never dressed me up. He dressed his toy. He never buy me dress. But he bought a dress for his toy. That's who he is, guys. So now undress your toy. So now undress your toy. Is that folded? I know. Right now, let's go. Get your sweater, whatever, because it's freezing outside. Do you have the car key here?
Yes. Like that guy in Brooklyn last night.
What happened?
There's a pregnant woman walking with 2 little kids.
Hello?
Her own little daughter and her friend's son.
Hello?
And a guy was trying to beat the light.
Yeah?
Ran over all of them, killed the 2 little kids. The woman's in the hospital. No! Her unborn baby is probably dead and she probably won't make it either.
Hello? Oh my goodness, oy hun.
What the hell's wrong with people? All of that because they didn't want to wait for the red light.
Did you call them?
Yeah, they go.
Put him in prison forever. It's not just like get out. You know?
2 little kids.
Plus the baby inside. Plus that woman. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. That's why you really have to just like, don't rush yourself.
Clearly, if he hit all 3 of them, they had to be in the intersection. Not like they just stepped off the sidewalk as he did it.
Yeah.
If he hit all 3 of them, they had to be, I mean, they had to all be in the middle of the street already.
Yeah. This is nothing. And this is the like, look at that, huh? Yeah, and then you're not gonna get snow because of the cover. And the other house.
No.
Yes, this is bigger. Did you see the wheels? How nice is that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's the same size.
But it's like a tank.
Oh my god, it's just like
Like a tank.
even though it's ice, you can the wheels, guys. Hello, this is what you got.
This is the one.
How much when you get yours? Hi guys, this video is very long. Hi. Itong video guys, sobrang taas niya guys, 32 minutes. So nataasan ako, so ikinat ko siya ng half. So bukas na din yung isa. So bukas na yung part 2 nito. So kasi kapag naano ako ba, kapag may time talaga na gusto kong mag-vlog talaga, sobrang taas siya. So ayaw ko naman sobrang paliitin kasi sayang yung mga footages with Tami. Before I'm going to end this video guys, magsa-shoutout ako dito. Yay! Shoutout tayo. Okay, shoutout kay Ili Loki at also to her husband. Husband Scott Loki. Hi! Thank you guys so much. Ouch! Ang sakit na putchik. And also hi to Adele Suluna. Okay, hi Adele Reyes. Thank you for watching, sis Adele. And also hi Fahima Manda. Hi sis Fahima at saka sa baby niya. Hi! Thank you guys so much for watching. Hi to Hirit Espina. Hirit Espina. Hi at saka sa baby niyang si Ava. Hi guys! Thank you guys so much for watching. And also hi to Glyza We from Dubai. Hi sis, thank you for watching. How's Dubai? At saka hi din kay Lani Filisilda. She's from Manila. Hi to Jinilyn Fabilani. Hi sis. Hi to Lisa Binag. Hi sis Lisa. Hi to Iflida Luna. Hi sis. Hi to Mas Batinya. Ako is Tuya. Saka hi also sa hubby daw niyang si Scott Blake from Texas. Hi! Thank you guys. How's Texas? Thank you guys so much for watching. But anyway guys, if you wanna keep watching, Tam and I went shopping for the part 2. Bukas na siya guys. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. And also may pa-shoutout din ako tomorrow vlog because meron pa akong shoutout sa laptop ko, screenshot. Pasensya na guys ha, kinakat ko siya ng part 2 dahil ano siya, sobrang taas and I like my vlog because pag mataas, sobrang nakakapagod kasi yung ibang viewers, ayaw nilang yung sobrang taas, may gusto naman may sobrang taas. So yun. Anyway, bye guys. Bye!